10. Stay motivated and focused on your goal to overcome addiction. Brothers and sisters, porn addiction is real. There are so many people, even within the churches, your friends, your co-workers, who might be victims of porn addiction. Unfortunately, you may not know. Therefore, never undervalue the impact or the negative effects of porn addiction, because the many people who are in it are failing to overcome that temptation. But I have a promise. There is nothing impossible with God. If you confess your sins, Jesus hates sin, but he loves the sinner. While we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Romans chapter 5, verse 8. I hope this will encourage you to come into realization that what you are doing is wrong